Oh, rainbow's gonna work?
You buy something, go to your mama. Ow, she's cheaper than me. Cut, 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 cut! This is a short. After's too long. Stop the video now.
What do you think? It's quite the place, huh? What are you looking at? Are you gonna sit in the chair and start working? Oh, rainbow's gonna work? Is Rainbow gonna ring people up? You wanna ask her if she minds if Rainbow does the work?
Can we hire Rainbow? Yes. Awesome. Can I head out now?
What do you think of this place? Hold it up. Let me see it.
There is.
Whoa, it's a manatee.
You buy something, go to your mama. Cause tiptoe, let's go to your mama either.
So you say tiptoe what? Tiptoe in the house with the bag and don't let her see it?
Yeah.
Wow, that's kind of sneaky, don't you think?
He can be mystery savers.
So we buy something, do you think she's gonna get on Daddy or you about it?
You.
Me? Because I bought it for you, I gave in, and I got you something? You're probably right.
Yeah.
Alright, oops. We'll have to fix that.
That's okay, I can fix it.
Let's go inside.
Stay related to the video now.
So guess what? We ended up getting something, didn't we? So you're gonna go home and tell Mommy? Is that what you're gonna do?
No.
You're not gonna tell Mommy?
No.
So we're gonna keep this quiet. Well, it's a good thing the Mommy never watches your videos, right?
No.
Of course Mommy watches your videos. Do you think there's a statute of limitation
No.
before she strangles Daddy? You don't think so? So it doesn't really matter when the video goes out, she's still gonna grab me? Still plays it. Here, go ahead and say hi. Her name is Mama. 6 months old.
Somebody's.
Hey, Mama.
Daddy. Somebody's there now.
She loves you, doesn't she? She wants to play with you.
She's looking at my fish.
Yeah, that's a boy. That's Bubba. Hey, Bubba. Having fun? So where are we at?
Pet store.
Pet store? You love pet stores, don't you?
For Emma.
Okay.
Not in here.
You got in here?
Nope, not yet.
I saw a couple kitties. Look.
Is that a boy or a girl? I think they're a boy. Look at that.
Oh, I think they're. Hey!
Is it a boy or a girl?
Look at this one. I don't know. Let's find out. There's Snicker. Oh, they're Snicker and Doodle. Snicker and Doodle. So this is Doodle.
And Snicker was a cute name.
And so Doodle is a female. So it's a girl. Doodle's a girl. And where's Snicker? It says you have to adopt them together. They must be sisters. Hey.
Remember the bited you last week? And remember last time? Remember that? I bited you?
Yeah. I don't know if this is the same one.
It is. It's the same one.
It kind of did love nips. It didn't really bite. Hey. It would kind of give you little love nibbles on your finger. Come on. He seems interested in you. It could be the same one. He's letting me pet him. So we oh yeah, he liked it, huh?
Yeah, he liked it.
Just watch where you put your finger. I don't want him biting you.
I did it.
Because they could easily draw blood if he wanted to.
Probably when he's mad, he does that.
If he wanted to, he could hurt you. Yeah, he's laying on his back.
Like a dog.
I know, right? You rub my belly, rub my belly.
Like a dog, yeah.
Like your belly rubs. Okay. These are called parakeets.
Cute.
Parakeets.
Look, he followed me.
Yeah, I know. He's very friendly.
I think he follows me. See.
That's alright, you just squish my foot.
So cute. It's so cute.
That was pretty cool looking. He was following you. Wait, there he is. He's watching us again. Look.
He was chewing off Flamingo.
I see that.
Ow! He's chewing me.
He likes you. He really finds you interesting. Didn't seem as interested in me. Yeah, he's like, no, I like the little girl's finger better. You must be tasty. Are you all sweet? Tastes like candy, you think? Yeah. Are you made out of sugar and spice? Is that why?
No.
Everything nice?
Because I have the cookie at my house. Bye now.
Is the show over? Wow, that was a quick show.
Yeah, it says it's short because no people doesn't go here that much.
Oh, okay. So it's a short one. Okay.